Bigger, bolder, better. Sometimes the saying is true. Bigger is better. And that's definitely true for your buds. In order to get bigger, to get better, we need to build. And to build up your buds, of course, you turn to the experts. Introducing from Turf Titan, Bud Builder, a PhD-developed bloom booster with the power to transform any plant with bigger and better blooms. Bud Builder is a probiotic for your bud, microbe-powered and proven time and time again before. With Bud Builder, the need for fertilizer is reduced as natural microbes help create larger root masses and increase the seed's germination. Those locked-up nutrients in your bud soil are freed, all leading to superior plant growth. Bud Builder is as powerful as it is flexible, compatible with soil, cocoa, rock wool, or any other growing media you can throw at it. The perfect bud has to be built, and of course, it has to be built with Bud Builder. Turf Titan, may the best lawn win.